Hello there. So the book I have today reminds me of the weather at my house today. Today it's been raining and pouring. So the perfect book I found was It's Raining, It's Pouring. Do you know the song? Well, let's see if you recognize some of it in the story. So the book, It's Raining, It's Pouring, was written by Ken Eagle and illustrated by Rob Gilbert. So, here we go. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He bumped his head when he went to bed and couldn't get up in the morning. It's cloudy, it's breezy, the old man is sneezy. He blew so hard that he moved the stars, but of course, that wasn't easy. It's snowing, it's blowing, the old man is growing. He ate so much one day for lunch, every part of him was showing. Look at his belly button. It's warm out and sunny. The old man loves honey. He tried to seize a batch from the bees, and they didn't find it funny. It's cool, damp, and chilly. The old man's name is Willie. He tripped and fell in a big old well. Oh my gosh, did he look silly. It's gusty, it's windy. The old man's wife is Cindy. With ants in their pants, they started to dance and ended up doing the Lindy. That's funny. Whatever the season, cloudy, sunny, breezin', if he gets to bed without bumping his head, then the old man thinks it's pleasin'. And that's the end. All right, I hope the sun comes out soon for me. Have a good day. Bye.